Hey guys, Biggie here from 삼겹살이. Hey, today I'm going to Jeju City, the big metropolis, getting away from this little podunk town of in the middle of nowhere-ness of Jeju Island. It's gonna take a bus ride, it's gonna take an hour, and the reason I'm going is I'm going to the Samsung Service Center. In the US, I think maybe in the big cities we have this, but it's not very common. If you have a problem with your phone here, you just go to the Samsung Center. Every big town has one, some town have 2 and 3. You go sit in line and you get things replaced. I have this Samsung Galaxy S6 Plus Edge something. It's an older phone, but it's really miles away from the iPhone I've been using. This iPhone 6 has a broken screen. It's so slow. I can't believe like Apple slowed down all this stuff. So I'm gonna take a bus. I'm gonna go and figure out how to get there. Last night I realized that I don't have any money left on my transit card, so I gotta fill that up. Come along for the ride. Jeju City bus trip, day 2. Here we go. All right, iPhone, bye. Here we go. Fancy door. It's 11:46 a.m. Let's see how long it takes me to get there. I want to say my neighborhood's pretty beautiful. You know, even though it's kind of outside of the main city, there's like walkways everywhere. There's really awesome places to go here. A whole new complex is being built here. I'm sure pretty soon it's going to be finished, but that's it. First step is I have to get my card recharged. Let's check it out. GS25, best convenience store and closest convenience store to my house. And it's hot out here. All right, got 10 bucks in the card. Let's go. Let's get on the bus. All right, the first bus that came actually just goes to Sokupon, not Jeju, so it's not going where I want to go. So here we go. Looking at the map, this doesn't have any digital signs. We just got the actual, like the old school. I want to take the 255. Here I'm at Nonghyup, and it looks like at 11:50, which is like now it's gonna be here. So either I'm really late or really early. Either way, I'm gonna have to wait an hour. Let's see. I'm also 30 minutes early for the 151, which is the express. It doesn't go where I want to go, but it'll get me at least into Jeju City. I'm a sweaty mess, and I'm also out of luck. Here's the deal. I was using Naver Maps, and Naver Maps does not have, this app on my phone does not have the times of the buses came, but I realized there's a Jeju app. So I downloaded the Jeju app, and it actually gives me the map of all the buses and where they're at. What I found out is the bus that I was gonna take into Jeju, it just left. Like I just missed it by 5 or 6 minutes maybe. So I have to wait either an hour for that bus or 40 minutes for the other bus. So I'm gonna go over and get some money to the bank because I need to do that anyway. So let's take a, it's hot. It looks like it's gonna rain. I don't know. Let's get some money to the bank. Let's look at the ATMs while we're at it. These ATMs are super fancy. Got like all this, like all sorts of options. I can put money in, I can put my card in, I can actually log in with a passbook instead of a card. It's kind of crazy. Let's check it out. All right, I need like 50 bucks out. So I click on foreign language. Click on foreign language again. We go to English. It is a domestic card. I need to withdraw money. And then it's gonna ask for my PIN. You don't get to see that part. It's kind of cool because here you got the PIN number and you can see it here. So you don't get to see, sorry. And I can pull out anywhere from 1,000 bucks, 30 bucks to 1,000 bucks. So I'm gonna go with the option for like 50 because that's what I need right now. And it's gonna ask me how many 50 won notes I can choose. Do I want the $10 bills? So I actually just want all $10 bills. So I'm gonna confirm and it's gonna count it out for me. Here we go. Look at that money, sound of money. Yes, I want a transaction slip. There we go. Give me my money. Card, receipt, cash. Here we go. Cash it is. So I made it on the bus. The problem is my phone's dying and I forgot to bring the charger. So I don't know if I can get lucky and get a charger, but anyway, so I waited like probably 40 minutes because I was unlucky. This is the problem with public transportation outside the city, I guess. Anyways, enjoy the ride. This is the place to go to. You can come in here and they have all the people fixing the phones right there.
Turns out mine can't be fixed right here because I bought it in Vietnam, not in Korea.
So unfortunately, I have to wait 3 weeks to get it back, but I'm sure it'll turn out just fine. It took me 2 hours to get here, and my phone died along the way, so I'm actually videotaping this after, but don't worry, I'll edit it back in. Anyways, 2 hours to get here. It just took, I don't know, the transfer, even when I transferred in Jeju, I ended up taking a taxi because it was gonna be a 20-minute transfer, so I took a taxi, it was $5, and I got here quicker. Anyways, I'm headed back to the school now. So I gotta wait 3 weeks, and of course I didn't have a cell phone number to give them. They're like, let me call you, and well, I don't have any way to get phone calls because I don't have a phone number yet. So they're gonna try email, and we'll see if that works. So, oh, there's a bus, hope I don't miss it. Ah, I'm gonna miss the bus. I need a car. I think I need a car. Most of both, if I go to the local city, it's fine, but if I'm coming to Jeju City, I can't do without a car. My goodness, that was a lot quicker. Got the 335 bus. 336 bus. 336 bus to the bus terminal. I'm gonna transfer to a bus that's gonna take us back. Hopefully the transfer is fine. I don't have to wait an hour. I'll stop at a coffee shop then if I need to. So the bus terminal, very quick transfer. Only 5 minutes. I got very lucky. So I was gonna leave here in 5 minutes. So far it's been 3 hours since we left the home, so it's been it's taken some time. Anyways, so I got pretty lucky with this transfer. It's about the fastest I can get back. 1 hour from here. Here we go. TV show time.